Dirty Slugs, bitch. Renegade Mob. Fuck everybody. Everybody. Everybody, you can suck dick. I don't need nobody, man. Fuck this. I got scraped, I dip, I dash. You bitch on my dick, cause I don't ever ask. I don't give a fuck about her feelings. I be blowing on this weed when I'm dealing. And I be feeling, yo ho. Yeah, I'm finna stack my motherfucking dough. I don't care about a bitch, I don't care about a nigga. I fuck what you heard, yeah, I really go figure how to get my dough, how to stack my chips. And yeah, I go dumb, man, I fucked yo bitch. Yeah, I took her skrill, I took her skrill faster. And like I said, man, it really doesn't matter. It's gone, nigga, I'm a spender. Yeah, turn it up like a blender. Turn it, rescind it, nigga, yeah, bend it. I never give a damn, man, niggas can't end it. You niggas couldn't end my motherfucking raps. I put yo bitch on the track, put her on the track. She never finna come back unless she brings racks. I'ma do it just to get stacks. Feel me now, I feel me now. I'ma do it to the end. Fuck what you heard, bitch. This is not a trend, not a trend. Hear what I do. Your bitch on my dick, cause she really like a crew. Renegade Mob, rap, murder, kill. Nigga, I'm a real Mac. How that shit feel? Bitch, you don't know. You never damn will, ho. I don't give a damn, nigga. Listen what I feel, though. Everybody else, y'all niggas really dropped. Fuck you niggas, cause all rims all I got.